चाचा है छोड़ है घर मोरे परदेसिया
Hi everyone, good morning. आज का दिन इज़ वेरी एक्साइटिंग, वेरी एक्साइटिंग. टीम नाच डांस वर्कशॉप हो रही है पुणे में एंड आई रजिस्टर्ड फॉर बोथ द डेज. आई थॉट दोनों दिन बॉलीवुड होगा बट आज सेमी क्लासिकल है. नॉट माई सीन बट स्टिल आई एम एक्साइटेड. मैं हमेशा ट्रिवांड्रम में बैठ के बस उनकी वीडियोस देखती थी. वो आज वहाँ जा रहा है. आई थिंक सोनाली या टीम नाच में से किसी ने लखनऊ में भी वर्कशॉप की थी. आई वाज सो जेलस. ऑल्सो आई हैव टू ड्रेस अप ऑब्वियसली. आज की कोरियोग्राफी इस घर मोरे परदेसिया, सो थोड़ा तो इंडियन टाइप होगा. आई एम थिंकिंग स्कर्ट ही पहन लेती क्योंकि क्लासिकल तो मुझसे होगा नहीं. ऑल्सो कल रात बारिश हुई एंड आई एम लविंग द वेदर. I'm waiting for my food like this. This is like the basic uptan. Besan, dahi, lemon, haldi of course. So I just took a shower. थोड़ी शक्ल better हो गई है. And मेरे पास सिर्फ हाफ एन आवर है अपना खाना खा के तैयार होकर थोड़ी शक्ल सुधार के नीचे पहुंचने के लिए. See you there. So I'm all ready. चलो चलते हैं. ये बाय कात्यायनी. मैं नाच के आती हूँ, ठीक है. So the class started off with the warm-up and then the choreo, in which they make sure everybody gets these steps. They teach in groups, on towns, and then with the music, and then there are the performances in small groups. It was my first ever dance workshop and I had so much fun. I mean, the whole vibe was so good, and especially for this choreo, everybody was so dressed and looked so pretty.
yes
Okay, another thing is that tomorrow is going to be hotter, harder, like everybody was sweaty, so be mentally prepared for it.
Nicole is training the kid to take a picture. And of course, at the end, there's a separate picture session for everybody. This requires a little bit of a story. Class ke time pe when they were having that chit chat session in the beginning, I just raised my hand and said कि I want to touch Sonal's hair. I know I shouldn't have done that. पता नहीं क्यों मेरे दिमाग में आया, and I've always been fascinated by her hair. I mean, they are so gorgeous. I mean, she's so gorgeous. And वो जो slow motion वाली videos डालती है, oh my god. So I just said that, and सबको याद था obviously, because I don't think so anybody would have ever requested something like this. Like, that's just low-key creepy. Anyways, but they are so sweet. She actually did let me touch her hair, and by the way, they are amazing. And yeah, so before you judge me as a very creepy person, it was just for fun. I mean, I don't know, I don't have any explanation for this, but they are extremely sweet. They did not mind anything. They are just two amazing amazing, beautiful, down to earth people. That's all. मुझे बस ये explain करना था.
One second. Are you sure? Just come here. Just touch her. Just hold her.
The next day.
It's around 6 a.m. right now. मैं 4:30 बजे उठी. I took a shower, got ready, packed my bag, and now I'm leaving for the shoot. Outfit number 1 done. Time for second.
Wait for second, you will see.
Came back home, changed into my comfy clothes, and my face is makeup free. By the way, मैंने mention किया that I'm trying this new face wash which is amazing. It's this one, gluten face wash, and it's sulfate and paraben free. And trust me, I'm somebody जो face wash हमेशा change करती है. I always buy the small packs कि ताकि मैं नए try करती रहूँ. But this one is just so gentle on my skin. If I use this, मेरी skin dry नहीं feel करती. Even if I forget to apply something, मेरी skin खिंची हुई feel नहीं करती. So yeah, just for this reason, I am loving it.
6 hours later.
Day 2.
Extremely professional and so talented. She basically just saw the choreography. He showed her the choreography with her.
Dancing. Dance, shoulder, and then.
Okay, let's go for take. And we were like.
Because if someone shows us a choreography,
You know now, right?
it takes time to process.
The second day, oh my god, was so much fun. The energy, vibe, everything was amazing. एक तो Bollywood hip hop था, so the choreo was a little tough, but still, everybody had so much fun. And I feel ऐसी workshops में you also get to meet new people from your city. Say hi. Wait. By the way, कल की workshop की highlight has to be this little cutie. Yes, I slipped during my performance anyway. Definitely need to practice both the choreos har din. Trust me, if you're somebody who hasn't attended a workshop yet and is very confused about it, trust me, एक बार जाओ Team NAACH की workshop तो definitely जाना because both of them are so cute, down to earth, pretty and so funny. एक भी dull moment नहीं था class में, and the class was for 3 hours. Also, did I mention I have a boomerang with them? And that's all about the workshop and my weekend. I hope you enjoyed it. Do like and subscribe if you did. And if you're somebody from Pune, I have a FC Road ka video for you to watch as well. Okay, bye. I'll see you next week. Actually, no, I'll see you this week with another video. Bye.